You know, people in hard-hit communities not only lost their homes, but their businesses too, Amy.
In fact, 2 hours before the killer tornado hit, Leah Klumper's CrossFit business was actually full of people, which is hard to believe. She told me they were having a Friday night get-together. Thankfully, everyone there got home safely before everything they knew changed forever.
The roof was gone.
I mean, how do you describe what happened here?
I would say I never expected something like that to happen here.
Until it did. The EF4 flattened downtown Mayfield with its 200-mile-per-hour winds.
These are the garage doors that were on the front of the building, had wrapped around the rig. We had a TV here.
Leah Klumper's Red Eagle CrossFit gym was right in its path.
I just feel very fortunate that we weren't there, because if all those people would have been there, then we wouldn't be here today, because there's no way we could have survived.
Like so many survivors born and raised here, Leah was torn between gratitude and grief after 8 years of building a business.
My daughter freehand drew Ralph, our Red Eagle, back here, so that whole wall was gone.
She lost personal mementos and every piece of equipment. When did you decide that you were going to rise from the rubble?
Immediately, because we went through COVID, and that was terrible, being closed for months, and then I knew that we would reopen and try again and find somewhere. I didn't know how long it would take, but I knew that we would do that.
2, 1, go. She moved into her new location in June, and through it all, has not lost one client.
CrossFit community really showed up for us. When the tornado hit, there was a GoFundMe that raised quite a bit of money and allowed us to replace all of our cardio equipment.
Other gyms hosted fundraisers and sports companies gave her more free equipment. Other friends gave her advice.
Local owners just were beside me and encouraging me to continue on and keep going and be strong.
And after the dust settled, her husband gave her a present.
This is my tornado gift. My husband was not keen on getting a puppy just yet, but we had to get Boomer, and he's a good boy, aren't you, Boom? And he goes to work out, and he comes to class.
Good boy.
And he hangs out with everybody, and there's not many people who don't know Boomer.
Strong is what they do here at Red Eagle CrossFit, but Leah says she sees it everywhere in Mayfield now.
Overall, it's a very resilient community. They feel that they can continue on and that this community is going to stay strong and is strong, and we'll keep building and hopefully get new businesses and keep on. It's a hard-working community.
See, so much hope. Well, to commemorate the anniversary, Leah is hosting her first CrossFit competition tomorrow. She says it's a milestone day to refocus and try to move forward.